With over 250,000 units sold, the Kardo range is as popular today as when it was launched 10 years ago. Kardo offers monitor arms for single, dual or quad screen setups and is easy and quick to install without requiring any tools. The arm has a desk edge clamp or through desk fixing for use with desk portholes. Optional low profile mini clamps can also be used if space is limited. Installing or reconfiguring screens is easy with the quick release Visa plates, which slide easily onto the Kardo arm and secure in place with fixing clips. The integrated cable management keeps your workspace neat and tidy. Kardo integrates seamlessly with Metalicon's universal laptop holder attachment using the inverted single arm accessory. Use the removable Visa plate to attach the laptop holder to the inverted single arm and align the laptop with the adjoining screen. All our monitor arms come with Metalicon's 5-year warranty.